Welcome back. Let's start doodling. Today we're going to draw a snowman. So grab a pencil and a piece of paper and let's doodle. Okay, let's start up here at the top of the page, right about here. And we're gonna draw a line, a slightly curved line across for the bottom of the hat. It's where the hat meets the head. So right here, follow along. Remember, you can always pause the video if you need more time. Now we're going to draw one of the sides of the snowman's head down like this. It's a big C-shaped line. It's like a curved line. So starting right about here. Like that. And now let's do the other side of the snowman's head. Starting up over here. And it's a curved line going down like this. Okay, now let's draw the hat on top of the head. So starting over here on the side of the head, we're going to draw the brim of the hat up and around and over and back down and then touch this side of the head. All right, you ready? Here we go. Now let's draw the rest of the hat. So it's gonna go, we're gonna do a straight line going up from right about here. And then a curved line across the top for the top of the hat. This snowman's wearing a top hat. And now we're going to connect it back down to the top of the brim line here with a straight line. Like that. And now let's draw a stripe on the hat, a band on the hat. So we'll do a line right across here. It's a slightly curved line. Like that. Okay, now let's draw the snowman's face, right in the middle of the head shape, right here. We'll start with one of the eyes. So we're going to draw a small little circle here for one of the eyes. Like that. And let's do the other side, one right about here. And let's do little highlights inside. So a little tiny circle within that. Same on this one. And let's color those in. Okay, now let's draw the snowman's nose. So we're going to give him a carrot nose. So let's start with a curved line here. So starting right in the middle, we're going to do a little curved line down like that. And now from where we started that line, we're going to do a straight line out and end right about here. And then we're going to continue that line down and connect it back to this line. Let's do some stripes on that carrot. Like that. Okay, now let's draw his mouth. It's going to be a happy smile here, a curved line starting right about here and up and stopping about there. And we'll add a little cheek line like that. It's starting to look like a snowman. Okay, let's give this snowman a scarf. So starting right here where we left this space on the head, we're going to do a little slightly curved line here going up. Like that. And then from where we started that line, we're going to go down and a slightly curved line down and stop right about here. Like that. And let's jump over here and do a curved line down like this. And now let's connect that. Let's connect the line. Okay, now let's do the other part of the scarf. So starting over here, let's draw a curved line down like this. Now let's continue that line over and stop right about here. And let's pretend there's an imaginary line behind that scarf and it's going to continue here and then go back up to the head. Like that. Okay, let's add some frills at the bottom of the scarf. And these are just going to be lines. So let's do 1 line, 2 line, 3 line, 4 line, 5 line, 6 line, 7 line. And maybe we'll do some stripes on the scarf. So let's just do evenly spaced lines around the scarf. And then some on this one too, going down. That, and like that. Okay, let's finish off this snowman's body now. So starting here, where the scarf is, we're going to do a curved line down like this. And now we're going to do a big curved line. This is almost like a circle, but we're going to stop right about here. So starting here, it's going to go all the way down and then back up. This is a long line, so take your time. There's no rush. And you can always pause to catch up. Where that line ends, we're going to have a little overlapping curved line that goes up like this. For the other side of the body. Okay, now let's add some arms to the snowman. And when you make a snowman, sometimes you make the arms out of sticks. So let's make them look like stick arms. So starting over here, I'm going to have the snowman waving at us. So let's start by drawing a line starting here up like this. And then have another line kind of branch out like this. And you can kind of be wobbly with these lines because it's supposed to look kind of like a stick. Or it's made out of sticks. And let's color that in black. And let's do another arm down like this, coming out of the body over on this side here. We'll give him 3 fingers on this hand. The other hand has 4 fingers, and it can be different because every stick is different. And let's color that in. Okay, we're going to do 3 circles down the middle of the belly now on the snowman. And like traditionally, people would do coal. They'd make the eyes out of coal or the belly lines out of coal. I think they're supposed to represent kind of like buttons on a jacket. So let's do one right here. And then we'll do another one a little bit lower than that. There. And one more down here. And let's do little circles inside that for highlights. So one there, a little circle there, and a little circle there. And now let's color it in black. And lastly, let's make sure this snowman looks like it's sitting on some ground. So we'll do a couple of little snow lines here, like a little curved line like down here, one here, and maybe on this side too. We'll do some contact lines so it looks like it's sitting on some snow.
Wow, your drawing is looking great. Now, let's add some color to it. Grab your crayons, markers, or colored pencils, and let's color it in.
Snowmen are made out of snow, so they're mostly white. But I'm gonna make his top hat a very dark gray color, so it almost looks black, like a black top hat. But you can make your top hat any color you want. And I think I'm gonna make the band on the hat that's going across here, I'm gonna make that red. And the carrot nose, I'm gonna make orange. And let's make the scarf green. Okay, now I'm thinking of making a slight shadow color on the side of the snow to make it have a little bit of dimension so the snowman hat feels like he's round. Get a light blue color. Just do a little blue on the side, and then down here we're going to do the same. And like that. And then we'll do the same down here like this. And then maybe we do some on there so it looks like snow down here too, like that. So now it kind of gives a little bit of a shadow edge on it.
And remember, every artist signs their doodle.
There's our snowman.
I hope you had fun drawing with me today. And don't forget, there are no mistakes, just doodles. I'll see you in the next video.